In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful earrings. For this model, I used a lace yarn, and for the tutorial I'm going to use a thicker yarn and a bigger hook. I'm starting off with a magic ring around the finger and then a chain, and 20 single crochet stitches in the ring. Keep doing that till it comes to 20 single crochet. After the single crochets, I'm doing a slip stitch to finish this row. Now for the second row, I'm starting with a chain, and in the 5 next stitches, I'm doing 1 single crochet each. And overall there are 5 single crochet stitches. And then in the 6th stitch, I'm doing 3 single crochet stitches. Once again, in the next 5 stitches, I'm doing 1 single crochet each. And overall we have 5 single crochet stitches. Now for the third row, I'm making 1 chain, turn the work around, we're using the back loops of the next 6 stitches to do single crochet stitches. And in the 7th stitch, I'm doing 3 single crochet stitches. Now I'm doing the other half, 6 single crochet stitches in the back loops. Now for the next row, I'm doing a chain, turn the work around, and in the back loops of 7 next stitches, I'm going to do single crochet stitches. And then in the middle stitch, which would be the 8th stitch, I'm doing 3 single crochet stitches. And then again for the other half, 7 single crochet stitches. For the next row, I'm making a chain, turn a work around, and this time I'm making 8 single crochet stitches. And in the middle stitch, which would be the 9th stitch, I'm making 3 single crochet stitches. And then for the other half, I'm making 8 single crochet stitches. You can keep doing this process until you reach your desired length for your earrings. And that's it. You can also sew a bead in this hole of your earrings. You could also install earring needles like me, or you could just use earring hooks. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and hit subscribe.